There are so many ways to get into tech right now. Bootcamp, CS degree, self-taught. Some are faster, some are cheaper, some are genuinely better than others, but they all eventually dump you at the same place. A real code base, a real team, a real problem nobody prepared you for. And at that point, it doesn't matter how you got there. What matters is whether you picked up the principles that separate cracked engineers from trash coders, or as they like to be called in 2026, vibe coders. Master these principles and have yourself a prosperous career. Skip them and get ready to be fired from every tech job you'll ever land. The first principle nobody teaches: read more code than you write. Actual production code bases written by people who get paid well. Open GitHub, find a repo you use, read it. Your brain starts absorbing patterns it didn't know existed. This is how taste gets built. Most beginners spend years writing code and almost zero time reading it. That's like trying to become a good writer by only typing and never reading books. The seniors who can walk into an unfamiliar code base and understand it fast got there by reading a lot of other people's code. There's no shortcut for that rep. The second principle: debugging is a discipline, not a feeling. Mid developers add console.logs until something changes. Crack developers form a hypothesis first. What do I believe is true? What would prove me wrong? Then they go find out. That switch in mindset is the whole difference. Treating a bug like a crime scene is not a metaphor. Every clue means something. The error message, the line number, the stack trace, what changed recently. Randomly trying things is expensive, guessing dressed up as work. The engineers who debug fast are the ones who think before they type. The third principle: understand the system, not just your ticket. Mid developers see the feature. Crack developers see what the feature does to the database under load, what happens when two users hit it simultaneously, what breaks downstream. Nobody assigns you that thinking. You bring it yourself. Systems thinking is the hardest thing to fake in an interview. You either see the whole picture or you don't. The good news is it's trainable. Every time you touch something, ask what else depends on this. Do that enough times and it becomes automatic. The fourth principle: ownership. Crack developers treat the code base like it's theirs even when it isn't. They fix the things slightly outside their ticket. They leave code better than they found it. Not for karma, just how they operate. Ownership is also how you build the reputation that gets you picked for hard problems. Nobody explicitly tracks it. Everyone implicitly notices it. The developer who always leaves things slightly better is the one who gets trusted with the things that matter. These principles are timeless. True before AI, true now, true after whatever comes next. The most important AI era skill is knowing when the AI is wrong. That requires enough fundamentals to recognize a bad solution even when it compiles, passes the tests, and looks clean in the PR. That instinct takes time to build. It cannot be borrowed from a chatbot. Context curation is the new skill nobody talks about. AI agents are only as good as the context you give them, knowing what to include, what to exclude, how to frame the problem. The developers who are genuinely dangerous with AI treat it like a junior. They're directing, not an oracle they're consulting. The last one is taste. Knowing good code from AI slop when both compile, both pass CI, both ship. One is a load-bearing wall of technical debt nobody will touch in 6 months. The other is something you'd be proud to have written yourself. Taste is what tells them apart. Built by reading good code, writing bad code, getting feedback, and repeating.